It is currently 2:28 in the morning, and I am actually shaking at what I just discovered. Last week, Y Combinator announced that they would be investing in AI-fulfilled agencies, basically an agency where AI does most of the work for your client. So not SaaS, not AI tools, agencies. And this caught my attention because that felt like a big leap in what I thought AI's current capabilities were. But boy, was I wrong. So I immediately, once I heard this, decided to put it to the test. Over the last 24 hours, I decided to build a ad agency for local car dealerships. And my goal was to see if I could make a 10K per month revenue ready agency from scratch. And what I just experienced changes everything in online business. And I want to make one thing clear. I did not give this AI agent any access to my accounts. I did not let it log in. I did not use any APIs, and I did not give it any sensitive data. This AI agent simply uses my browser, sees what I'm already looking at, and it starts taking control of the screen and knows what to do. Now, let me show you what we did. So I picked local car dealerships because it's a niche that already spends a lot of money and they all use ads. So the first thing that I did was ask the AI to build me a custom brand style guide. So the ads that we create are really unique and would be our brand going forward. And within less than a minute, I had an entire premium automotive brand guideline with the exact color palette, my typography, the actual tone and visual guidelines that they need to follow when making ads. So within minutes, I had a very legitimate agency brand without using Canva or any design tools. So now that we know what our ads are going to look like, next we need to know what tactics and strategies we're going to use so we can actually get people to buy cars. And so all I did was ask the AI to scan 20 different Meta ad library accounts from other car dealerships and to give me a list of the different tactics and strategies they're using so we can implement it for our agency. And what do you know? The AI agent went on my browser, opened up the Meta ad library, and started typing in and searching different car dealerships' ad libraries. It went through them, it indexed thousands of ads, and came out with the most common tactics, language, and strategies they're using right now. And then it actually output a 6-page design laying out all the strategies and everything that we could do to help sell more cars. The AI returned seasonal sales events, stacked financial offers, public notices, 0% APR patterns, trade-in bonuses, and much, much more. In less than 10 minutes, I had a national level playbook that researched all of the ads from the top car dealerships in America. This is something that most agencies to this day still don't have. So now that I have a custom brand style guide so all of my ads look consistent, and now I have a strategy and tactics deck to make sure those ads actually convert. Next, I just want to pop up a quick store page, and so I can make this look like a legitimate offer and start selling the service. So to do this, I just prompted the AI to build me a quick WAP store page and a checkout link so I can start collecting payments from my future clients. So this gives me a professional storefront, clear pricing, and a calendar booking system so clients can book time with me for a sales call. So I structured it as the AI-powered automotive ad engine, and it just included what the dealerships get if they work for me, and then there's a clear calendar so they can book time with me. This makes sure that when I'm reaching out to them, it's not just me saying, let's talk sometime. It's saying, here's my calendar, book a call today. And then last but not least, it created a checkout link that I can send to my client for $2,500 per month when they say yes to getting my services. But now comes the true test. Can the AI actually create the ads and will they look any good? To test this, I just used a local car dealership in my childhood hometown, McCarthy Auto from Kansas. I then just put the link to their website in the AI and prompted it to create custom ads using our brand style guides and the strategy doc. Claude pulled actual inventory, used real pricing information, made compliant ad copy, and followed the brand guidelines to the T. There was no hallucinated vehicles, no fake data. It had the actual VIN number, the actual pricing, the actual sale. Everything that was on this dealership's website was 100% accurate in the ad creatives. And if you just look at these ads, it's actually mind-blowing. The copy is perfect. This is amazing direct response. There's urgency, there's scarcity, there's offers, there's sales. Everything you'd want from an ad agency, this AI just created, and again, just a few minutes. So now that I have the ads, there's only one step left, and that's actually getting them set up in Facebook. And here is the craziest part. I did not have to connect an API. I did not have to have some crazy prompt. All I said was one sentence, now upload these into my Meta ad account and set up the ads. It took control of my screen, opened up Ads Manager on Google Chrome, and started filling out all of the relevant information. Not only did it actually upload the image, create the headline, write the copy, and set up everything correctly, it even knew that the car dealership was in Kansas and set geo-targeting within a 25-mile radius of the actual dealership. Of course, it included the correct website link, and everything was set up properly. All I had to do was hit publish to make this ad go live. So this alone was 100% proof that AI is here, it's real, and agents are actually out on the internet taking action. Words cannot describe how I felt the last day. I have texted all of my friends to try this. Most people think that AI is just a glorified autocomplete. It can help you research or maybe write some documents or organize files. This AI is actually taking action and is building assets at the same level as a professional marketer. These are ads that I would absolutely run, and they're probably better than what I would come up with this quickly. So first and foremost, I don't even know what word to say to describe how important it is for you to learn this right now. The gap between people who are using AI and not using AI is about to be exponential, but it doesn't stop here. Okay, I needed to test if this would do the entire end-to-end process. Y Combinator is investing in AI-fulfilled agencies, but as a marketer myself, I figured, why stop at just the fulfillment? Will this actually do my sales process for me? And what I discovered here is unbelievable. So the AI already knew where my dealership was located, and I said, I want to start getting clients for my services and start selling this to other local car dealerships. So I asked the AI to make me an Excel sheet of 20 different car dealerships in the area and to list their Instagram in the sheet so I could reach out to them and pitch my services. And again, in less than 2 minutes, it found every single car dealership within a 20-mile radius of my local area, made an Excel sheet, had every one of their Instagrams and all of the other information you would need to actually reach out to them and start pitching your services. And so now that I have a list of people to reach out to, what do you think I asked next? I said, hey, can you now open my Instagram, search each car dealership, and send them a message pitching my services? And what do you know? It opened Instagram. I'm watching it search each individual car dealership, hit the message button, and paste in a message. Now, I'm sure I could have made this personalized if it wanted to actually analyze each car dealership and try to pitch it, but this was just for demonstration purposes. I also don't know entirely what the rules and terms of service are for using AI as a cold outreach system to automate this on Instagram, so take that with a grain of salt. I was just doing this to see if it was possible, and guess what? It was absolutely possible. It sent 20 DMs for me on my Instagram as I'm just sitting here, hands off, watching my monitor move. So I just want you guys to understand what just happened. Everything I just described to you happened in under 45 minutes. We came up with an entire new brand. We had clear strategies that our agency would operate under. We had full deployment. All I had to do was take a link to a website and it would create the ads. It then set them up in the actual ad manager, executing the fulfillment of the process, and triggered outreach to get other clients in the area, and then did the outreach for me. So yes, AI fulfilled agencies can do the entire end-to-end process. And now if I ever wanted to do this again for any car dealership, all I have to do is input their website and it will pull real listings. I even asked the AI, can you check the website every single hour? So if a car dealership lists a new vehicle, you automatically make an ad and programmatically run it through Meta. And it said, yes, that is possible. And so this just changed the entire online marketing space. This probably just changed the entire online entrepreneurship space and probably the world. So I just wanted to make this video because this was absolutely mind-blowing. I've texted all of my friends to start using this immediately, and this is a huge fundamental shift in how the world is working. AI is real. So this isn't about car dealerships. It's about leverage. If AI can research, generate, deploy, and take action, the bottleneck is no longer labor, it's thinking. And if you understand how these workflows work, and you can walk AI through it step by step, just like I described in this video, you are going to be a very valuable person in this world immediately starting today. So I just want everyone to understand that if you start learning these tools now, you can run one of these AI fulfilled services to give yourself more leverage, or you can actually go help other companies implement this technology to save them time and money. Whatever it is you want to do, I have never seen a bigger opportunity than this right now. This levels the playing field for every business. Now, in this video, I compressed a lot just to show you guys what's possible, but on March 3rd, I'm going to go live and I'm going to rebuild this workflow from scratch. It's really simple, but I just want to show you guys how to design these workflows, how this can be used in other industries, how to think about pricing, and even how to get your first client if this is something you want to take seriously. You can register for that live workshop at wapacademy.com or click the first link in the description below. I really want you guys to attend this because this is no longer theory. This is a new operating model, and it's real and it's here now. We are officially in the era of AI native operators. And if you know how to design workflows, you don't need a team. You just need leverage. So join the live session March 3rd. Other than that, have a great day. I will see you in the next video.